Hey friends, thinking about upgrading to the Apple Watch Ultra 3, but not sure if it's worth leaving your Ultra 2 behind. Today we're breaking down everything from battery life to display, health features, and even 5G connectivity, so you'll know exactly which watch is right for you. Let's kick things off with the design and display. Both watches come with a 49mm titanium case, giving them a strong yet lightweight feel, and a ceramic and sapphire crystal back for durability. But the Ultra 3 steps it up with a wide-angle OLED display using LTPO3 technology, which delivers a brighter, more immersive viewing experience at 3000 nits. Ultra 2 also hits 3000 nits but uses LTPO2 OLED, so if you spend a lot of time outdoors, Ultra 3 has the edge here. Next up is health and wellness. Both models include the ECG app, blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate notifications, sleep tracking, sleep score, and the new Vitals app that measures heart rate, respiratory rate, wrist temperature, blood oxygen, and sleep duration. They also support cycle tracking with retrospective ovulation estimates. Basically, no matter which one you pick, you'll get comprehensive health monitoring. When it comes to performance, the Ultra 3 features Apple's latest S10 chip, compared to the S9 chip in Ultra 2, meaning smoother navigation and faster app performance. Ultra 3 also introduces a wrist flick gesture, which isn't available on Ultra 2. And if connectivity matters to you, the Ultra 3 is 5G capable, while Ultra 2 sticks to LTE. That means faster data speeds on the go for Ultra 3 users. Battery life is another area where Ultra 3 pulls ahead. Ultra 2 lasts up to 36 hours, while Ultra 3 can go up to 42 hours, and both support 72 hours in low power mode. Charging is faster too. Ultra 3 goes from 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes, and a quick 15-minute charge gives up to 12 hours of use. Ultra 2 takes about an hour for a full 80% charge. Both watches are extremely durable and safe, with fall and crash detection, emergency SOS, international emergency calling, water resistance up to 100 meters, depth gauge, water temperature sensor, and IP6X dust resistance. They also meet MIL-L STD 810H standards, so whether you're swimming, hiking, or climbing, either watch can handle it. Other features like sensors, connectivity, and storage are similar, with both watches offering a wide range of sensors, 64GB storage, and navigation tools like precision finding for iPhone. Environmental improvements are slightly better on Ultra 3, using 100% recycled titanium and more recycled materials in the battery and components. So here's the bottom line: if you want the fastest performance, wider display, 5G connectivity, faster charging, and a few new gestures, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the upgrade to go for. But if you're happy with solid performance, comprehensive health tracking, and durability, the Ultra 2 is still an amazing choice and can save you some money. That's it for our comparison. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which watch you're planning to pick up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.